All right, greetings. Come on in. Tonight's topic is going to be about thought seeds. Thought seeds and mental planting. So, let's begin. As I always state, in the name of Yahweh, under the name and authority of Yahshua Messiah, the direction of the Holy Spirit. Yes, my Hebrew roots are strong. They're as strong as they always have been. But this, as you know, is the mystic side of my Hebrew faith. Okay? Now, tonight, we would like to delve off into thought seeds. I am going to deliver this message in correlation to discord and what they call chaotic energies, helping you to kind of develop a little bit of perception on discord. Now, the first thing I'd like to point out is you have been taught by the government religion to stay away from darkness, do this, do that, you'll get to heaven, God will forgive you. Okay. There's a lot I just said, but for the sake and the time constraints of this video, I'm gonna dig right off into it. Dealing with the realm of chaos, its benefits, and its impairments. So let's start with the impairments. People who have chosen, not are chosen, but have chosen by their free will of choice to relinquish the gift that they have within them to be part of an organization has created what they call a spiritual contract to forfeit their right to manifest in their own life individually, because they belong to a collective. So their particular energy or energy signature is now intermingled with all these other people that they now have entered into a contractual marriage with. This could be man or women, but anytime you enter into these groups, these covens, you are making a pact. Pacts are real and they are binding. Okay, so that's a little off stream from the topic that I'm trying to bring. Thought seeds. One of the reasons why you have to first go through the darkness to get to the Most High is because to get to the Most High, you first have to be able to cross the abyss. Because everything that He has created is created in the parallel of darkness and light. Your subconsciousness is a thought garden. Everything that has been taught and instilled into your mind via perception and belief has altered your thought garden. So when you allow others to plant, or should I say alter your perception without investigation, you give them the power to plant the seeds within inside of your subconscious, which is chaos. It's the unregulated. There's the order. It's just everything is as is. You start to grow into that which you have come to believe. So that becomes your impairment. Now, the benefit of dealing with chaos and going into darkness for the sake of actually being able to co-create in your own life and connect to source to figure out what is the plan for you. What have you forgotten? What have you need to remember? What is the plan for you? Going through chaos allows you to replant the thought seeds that have germinated due to misinformation. I will say that again. Going through the realm of chaos, all right, density, disorder, irregularity, confrontation, and for the most part, distortion. You come in contact with that field of chaos. Well, what that does is it allows you to square off with the very things that you have said you hold dear by belief. What that does is once you see this, you have the right in this timeline as you're living to correct the thought seed. Yes, which is what they call a new biogene into the thought seed that is growing and it is manifesting your real reality. So, the bottom line here is, if you want to build a prosperous or career worthy, or should I say even success worthy life, you have to create new thought seeds to place in place of the ones of the distortions that were foisted into your subconscious, your realm of chaos without you knowing. And so you first have to confront them. A lot of this is done through the help and the assistance of a mentor. All right. There are people like me out there that can help along these lines. And then once you're able to confront these belief systems, which are your demons, you are able to see them for who they are and say, hey, no, I don't agree with that. From now on, you're not going to be able to do this because I don't believe this anymore. You strip the energy away from that entity and you call it back to yourself. All right? And then you interject the thought that you want to see manifest in your reality. A lot of this is even done through what is commonly known as meditation. Because when you close your eyes and you sit and you hum and you you are getting in touch with your energy field. But in order to correct the state of your being, you can't do it in the light the way the church told you can, because you'll never reach it, because you're blindsided by the light. The only way you can discover what needs to be changed, the only way you can discover the inner Ruach HaKodesh, that is Hebrew for Holy Spirit, is by going into Doth within and challenging the things that have become a reality in your present day, squaring off with your demons. I love y'all. Shalom.